9 o'clock. Oh, it's 9:01 right now, so 1 minute late हो गई, but कोई बात नहीं. How is everyone? Hello. Okay, I have to warn you. मेरी आवाज़ बहुत ख़राब है और मुझे बहुत ही बुरी एसिडिटी हो रही है इस वक्त, बहुत ज़्यादा. So I'm trying to have some जीरा and some गर्म पानी and all of that. But hi guys, कैसा लगा आपको तोहमत? तोहमत रिलीज हो चुका है. The video of the song that is so beautifully sung by Shipra Goel. Super excited about it. I'm so glad सभी को पसंद आ रहा है. It's on the Speed Records page. Hi Komal, how are you? I know I couldn't make it to Pune, but I am just extremely tied up. I am in Bhopal. As soon as I come back, I'm going to come for sure. तो जिसने why haven't you seen it? NGE Bliss, you must watch it. It's on the YouTube page of Speed Records. So please watch it. Let me know what your favorite part of the song is. लिरिक्स तो इतने बढ़िया है, निर्माण ने लिखे हैं. शैलेश पांडे, आपका गाना हिट है. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू आकृति, मिस यू टू. तो लिरिक्स जो हैं, दे आर सो ब्यूटिफुली रिटन बाय निर्माण. सच अ फैब जॉब डन. मतलब ऐसी लाइन है कि दिल पे बिल्कुल एकदम तीर मार के निकल जाती है. Beautiful lyrics, beautiful music by Enzo. Just give me 1 second. Hello? I will send it. I will keep it outside, okay? Thanks. Sorry. तो गाना मस्त है. थैंक यू. सो लेट मी नो. आई एम रीडिंग योर कमेंट्स. अगर आपने गाना देखा है तो आपको कैसा लगा. अगर गाना नहीं देखा तो क्यों नहीं देखा. आज पूरा दिन आप क्या कर रहे थे. प्लीज गो वॉच इट बिकॉज इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 1.6 million views on the song. I want it to be like super duper hit. So go on, watch this song because it's worth it. शिप्रा की आवाज इतनी खूबसूरत है. And when I had heard this song, Neeti, my sweetheart, had forwarded to me and she said you must do this song and all of that. And when I heard the song, I was like, oh my god, ये गाना तो बिल्कुल दिल को छू लेता है. And I definitely wanted to do it. So thank you Umesh ji. He really wanted to cast me for this one. So thank you. दारू पीने की एक्टिंग विमल सेज इज अमेजिंग. यार फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं ना दारू पीती हूँ ना मैं सिगरेट स्मोक करती हूँ. तो येस, सिगरेट स्मोकिंग इज अ डिफिकल्ट थिंग फॉर मी बिकॉज आई कांट रियली टेक इट इन, बट आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट. अल्कोहल कभी पी नहीं, सो आई होप इट वॉज कन्विंसिंग इनफ बिकॉज एज एन एक्टर यू हैव टू एक्ट, राइट. सो आई हैव ट्राइड माई बेस्ट फॉर दैट. आई एम बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है कि लोगों को पसंद आ रहा है वो गाना. आज मैं पूरा दिन आपका गाना देख के काम पे नहीं गया. शैलेश, सो स्वीट. थैंक यू सो मच यार, थैंक यू. गाना एकदम हिट है. मैम एसिडिटी के लिए पैंटोप्राजोल्स ले लो. हाँ, लेकिन इस वक्त मैं होटल में हूँ और पता नहीं वो मंगा सकते हैं या नहीं मंगा सकते. बट जीरा जिंदाबाद. आई एम टेकिंग सम जीरा विद पानी. कल सुबह आई विल टेक सम मेडिसिन. हाय तदबीर, हाउ आर यू? Okay, so everyone, if you want to ask me anything about Big Boss, if you want to ask me anything about Tohmat, if you want to ask me anything about my Filmfare OTT nomination, by the way, जिनको नहीं पता, I've been nominated for the Best Supporting Actress category for 14 Phere. Yay! I knew it. That movie was amazing for me. I'm just so grateful to Devanshu sir and entire team of Z for casting me for this film. And अगर आपने वोट नहीं किया है then please go and vote for me, okay? Don't forget. It's on the Filmfare website. It's called Filmfare OTT Awards 2021. Okay? Best Supporting Actress. और बताइए मैम, सॉन्ग सुपर डुपर हिट जाएगा कंफर्म. थैंक यू सो मच. Who said that? Ghale Honey. Thank you. Okay. Gaur, your song is so hit. Thank you. Nirman. Okay, guys, everybody say hello to Nirman01. He says you nailed it with your performance. Everyone loving the song and praising you. Thank you so much. जो मैं lyrics की बात कर रही थी वो हमारे lyricist अभी हमारे live पे हैं Nirman01. Please go and follow him. He's fabulous. I have to tell you, Nirmanji, your music, your lyrics on Enzo's music has just created waves. ये गाना बहुत ही दिल को छू लेता है. एक एक लाइन that line जहाँ पर वो आपने लिखी है कि उसका जीना मेरा जीना मुश्किल करो उसका जीना आसान करो. Such a beautiful line. I just loved performing to it. And जैसे Be Together Brothers ने वो शूट किया है, Be Together Production ने जैसे ये शूट किया है, the directors, fab work done on this video. बिल्कुल हर चीज काम कर जाती है इस वीडियो के साथ. So yeah, guys, go follow Nirman01. He's fab. Song is very good and you look stunning. Thank you, Nilesh. Such a beautiful you are, and your lyrics, Nirman. See, I told you. I agree, Shelly. Hey Gaur, super fan. Since Big Boss 7, what do I have to do for your mention my name? Hi Malvia, how are you? Malvia Dhaval. There you go. Already took your name. Your acting, hats off, Queen Gaur Khan. Thank you, darling. Thank you so much. To all my crazy lot, thank you for always loving and supporting me. No matter what I do, how big, how small, you guys are always there for me. And I love you to bits. So thank you, every single person who puts out stories, who sends out appreciation, who helps in, kind of spreading the word and all of that. I love you all so very much. Can I have a birthday wish, Noor Javed? Happy birthday. Abdul says, love you, ma'am. Thank you. Love you back. Any other questions you guys have? Did I miss anything? When are you coming to Ladakh? I hope soon, because I've never ever been to Leh Ladakh, so I really want to go. Hopefully soon. Inshallah. Abhinav says, so pretty. Thank you so much. So, talking about Tohamat, we shot it in Chandigarh for 2 days. And it was a great shoot. Performance-wise, I had so much to do in this song. So usually videos mein, it's all fun and games, but this was like a really performance-oriented video for me. So I really enjoyed working on this song. Any more questions? Hello, ma'am. You're very cute. And how are you? Thanks, Shayar. I'm good. How are you? Kashifa says, हमेशा बहुत ज़्यादा खुश रहें और बहुत कामयाबी मिले आपको. Thank you, Amin. आपको भी. And just keep spreading love as much as you can, guys. What is the best memory from the shoot? The best memory from the shoot was working with the entire team. Like the director, Gagan was fab. Everybody took such good care of me. My staff was there with me. They helped me a lot. रात का शूट था, एक दिन का शूट था, तो काफी जब perform करने आते हो तो you have to go through a lot emotionally. So this was a really great experience for me. Working with Speed Records was a fabulous experience also. You and Zaid bhai look beautiful together. Thank you, Dania. You're such a natural beauty. Thank you, Nono. How are you? Hi dear, who are you supporting in Big Boss 15? Well, it's not like I'm supporting someone specifically or I don't like someone specifically. मैं हर एक एपिसोड पे रिएक्ट करती हूँ या एपिसोड के जो हैपनिंग्स होते हैं उसके इर्द गिर्द कॉमेंट करती हूँ. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आई डोंट लाइक समबडी और आई लाइक समबडी. But I truly honestly believe that Prateek is a very genuine soul in that house. He loves that show so much कि वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा passionately खेलते हैं, लेकिन अपनी common sense, अपनी यू नो एक रैशनल जो होता है जिंदगी में इंसानों का, कि जब आपने गलती की तो आप सॉरी कहें, जब आप जोश में हैं तो अगर आप गलतियां भी कर रहे हैं तो आप मान रहे हैं कि हाँ ठीक है, ओके मेरे से गलती हुई, ओके नो प्रॉब्लम, आई एम एक्सेप्टिंग इट, बट गोइंग बैक टू बीइंग अ ह्यूमन. So I love those qualities about him. I really like Umar. I really like Shamita. I really like Karan, but I don't know. He's a little lost in the last 2 weeks. 2, 3 weeks now, actually. I don't like the way Vishal is behaving right now, backstabbing everybody and किसी के मुंह पे कुछ और बोलना और वहां जाके completely कुछ और बोलना. I don't like people like that. So I like him. He is a good game player. लेकिन बहुत छल कपट चल रहा है उनके तरफ से, which is okay, I guess, because it's a part of the game. No one can really judge that. But if you ask my favorites, yeah, Nishant, I like Nishant also. I like Neha also. But Neha's entered the game too late, so I guess she'll have to kind of figure out where she stands in the competition. Uh, don't mind me burping because I have the worst attack of acidity. How was this song as an overall experience, and how did you manage your work schedule post marriage? Well, I think I shot this song in June, I think, and I have like the best husband in the world, and he is my biggest support system. So, जब भी मैं कुछ shoot करती हूँ, तो it's a really easy experience because I know I have him, just being my support and giving me the love and friendship that I need to work in peace. And मैं भी वही करती हूँ उनके लिए. So working on any show or any set is always super easy for me because I have him. What about Afsana? Well, I really loved Afsana on the show. I think she was unique. उनका एक अलग तड़का था और मुझे मज़ा आता था उनको देख के. कल जो हुआ कल के एपिसोड में, ऑफ कोर्स दैट इज़ एब्सोल्युटली अनफॉर्चुनेट बिकॉज कभी भी कोई फिजिकल हार्म अगर थ्रेट होता है तो ऑब्वियसली दैट इज़ व्हाट इज़ गोइंग टू हैपन. यू आर गोइंग टू बी shown the door at Big Boss house. Lekin I really like her. I think she's super talented and people should not judge her on the basis of some, उनका जो एक गुस्सा दिखाने का तरीका है या अपना आपा खोलने का तरीका है, उस पे आप इंसान को नहीं जज कर सकते. I think she's fab. I think she's super talented and I hope that she does all the work in the world. Inshallah. ये जो बदतमीज़ लोग हैं ना, ये जो फेक अकाउंट्स के साथ आते हैं और अपने सो कॉल्ड फेवरेट्स को सपोर्ट करते हैं, वो कहीं और जाओ, किसी और के चैट पे जाके नेगेटिविटी फैलाओ. आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड हियर एंड आई एम नॉट गोना टेक योर नेम. Hi Gaur, really like your lip shade. Where can I order the same? Okay, so this is a new makeup company called Verified. It's started by my friend Anam C. Just go to her page. You'll get all the details over there. Check out the website and you'll get many shades to choose from. I don't know the name of this lip shade, but it is from Verified. Hey favorite, says Vibha Solanki. Hi, how are you? Tawmat is very good song. Thanks, Suhana. You're very cute, mashallah. Thank you, Tiny Hunter. You're such an amazing person, says Richa. I think that's the best compliment ever, right? Thank you so much. My husband's here. Why are you not on the football field, Janu? I thought you were playing. Oh, where is he? Everyone's like, Zed is here, Zed is here. I'm going slow on the messages. So sorry, I didn't see that. Janu, are you still there? Hi, Gauru, my darling, says Kedia Chirag. That's so sweet. Actually, who calls me Gauru is Aves. Aves calls me Gauru. So, yeah. Okay, I didn't miss any message from him. But Gauru, you're amazing, says Ayu. Thank you so very much. And if there are any more questions, let me know. I'm here for another 5 minutes. Mashallah, you're so cute, says Hamad. You're my favorite person forever. That's so sweet. Thank you so much. You guys rock as a couple. Thanks, Sonal. Okay, so another very important announcement. Please go to the Filmfare OTT Awards page and do vote for me. Yay! For Chauda Pheri for Best Supporting Actress. Don't forget. And of course, don't forget to watch Tohamat, which has released on the Speed Records YouTube page. It's sung by Shipra Goyal. It's written by Nirman. The music is by Enzo. Oh, add me. Fine. Okay, I'll add you. Zaid, are you there? Okay, he's there. Hi.
Hello, hello.
Jano, I thought you were all playing football.
Done now, 9 o'clock.
How are you looking so fresh? Did you play?
Yeah, I played.
Okay, cool. Do you want to tell everybody आपको कैसा लगा मेरा वीडियो?
मैं आपका मैसेज पढ़वा दूं क्या सबके साथ?
मैसेज पढ़वा दूं ना?
जो मैंने आपको मैसेज भेजा वही पढ़वा देता हूँ सबको.
नहीं जानो आप अभी
तो
सेपरेटली बोलिए.
अगर आप मुझे पूछोगे तो मुझे तो बोलना ही पड़ेगा ना सबको क्या मैंने लिखा आपको और कैसे फील किया वीडियो.
लिखा तो वो तो हाँ, लिखा तो हमारे बीच ना जानो. अभी आप बताओ लोगों को.
video has come out really nice. I mean, I think it's the first time you are doing such kind of scene, right?
This kind of a music video, yes.
Yeah, I have seen a lot of videos of you, of course, but
have you seen my videos, Jana?
I have tried to now, but I like it. I like this one. This one was nice.
Janu, which was my first film?
It was very nice.
Janu, which was my first film?
Arey, that movie.
Acha, who was it with?
With the very handsome person.
Who?
I liked your movie.
The only one you watched is Begum Jan. You've not watched any other film.
I like Begum Jan. Begum Jan was. It showed that. It showed talent, proper talent. What you did.
But Janu, that's the only movie you watched.
That's why I'm telling you. I loved the Begum Jan.
Oh God, Janu. Okay, fine.
You told me that day, guys. मुझे बताओ ना first movie कौन सी थी? Game.
सब गलत. Game नहीं, सब गलत बोल रहे हैं. I can't believe Bella is answering wrong.
Let me see if anybody remembers. Let me see. किसी को पता है कि कौन सी सबसे पहली पिक्चर थी?
Of course, people will know. But I can't believe Bella is saying wrong.
Let me see if I've not watched it. They have. They know it. बताओ जल्दी कौन सी पिक्चर थी सबसे पहले?
कोई भी नहीं बोल रहा है जानू, सब गलत बोल रहे हैं.
सब बोलेंगे.
रॉकेट सिंह, प्रणाली
सबसे पहले.
प्रणाली got it right.
जानू रॉकेट सिंह तो मुझे पता है आपकी थी, बट ये नहीं पता है क्या सबसे पहली पिक्चर वो थी.
That was my first film as an actor, जानू. उससे पहले गाने किए थे.
ओह. अभी सब बोल रहे रॉकेट सिंह. सो गेम में भी आप थे? गेम में मतलब कौन सी वाली गेम पिक्चर है ये?
गेम में थी ना जानू मैं. आप रहने दो जानू प्लीज.
Which game movie?
With Abhishek Bachchan.
That movie is nice, huh?
Janu, you haven't watched it. Stop pretending. You haven't watched any of my films.
I was really caught up with my
life.
Teenage life. I was really caught up with it. So I couldn't.
Yeah.
मेरे घर में टीवी था ही नहीं, to be honest. और वो टाइम पे फोन इतने नहीं होते थे हाथ में, करेक्ट? 90s टाइम. तो रिलायंस के फोन होते थे मोस्टली हाथ में. जानू
मेरी मूवीज 90s में नहीं आई है.
बट मैं तो 90s का बच्चा हूँ ना.
हाँ, तो उसका क्या मतलब हुआ? 90s का बच्चे का क्या मतलब हुआ जानू?
मतलब 2000.
No, you're giving really bad reasons, honestly.
बाद ये सब आने लगा ना, सब कुछ सोच. Janu,
relax. It's fine. You don't have to give yourself an explanation like that not working.
Oh, अंधेरा हो
Anyway,
गया घर पे.
where are you going?
अरे I'm sitting in the car.
Okay, cool. Okay, just
Fever
tell
also
everybody.
Bhabhi is done. Faizan is saying fever also Bhabhi is done. Fever ये क्या है?
Yeah, it's a film. See, he knows my movies more than you, Janu.
और बद्रीनाथ की दुल्हन. अभी जानू ये फैजान है, वो घर पे बैठ के भी फटाफट रिसर्च करके सब बोल रहा हो.
No, Janu, Faizan already knew it because even in the club that day he was playing all my songs.
Oh yeah. बद्रीनाथ की दुल्हनिया में हाँ you were there. Police. Correct.
Oh, ho. Wow, Janu, wow.
अच्छा, your people are saying hi to you. You have to reply to them?
I can only see people are join, following, join. यही चल रहा है.
What new thing started following you? Why is it coming over here?
It's a new thing, Janu. Acha, listen.
The
Tell people what
Yes.
you thought of the video, and that's it. We're going to conclude it now. Otherwise, we're going to have this chat for a long time.
I'm sure they love it.
Janu, what did you think of the video?
हम घूम रहे हैं. मैं बोल तो रहा हूँ ना, मैंने देखा है आपका, ऐसा नहीं है नहीं देखा है. And I've
Did
seen
you like the lyrics? Did you like the lyrics of the song?
Yeah, I did actually like it. And you know what was my best
Hi,
scene?
Ritu.
क्या hi do?
नहीं, hi Ritu. Someone said hi तो करो.
तो ठीक है. Come Zaid and go to Qatar. ठीक है जानू, चलो आप वहां से फ्लाइट पकड़ो, मैं ऐसे पकड़ता हूँ, कतर चलते हैं. वैसे
Yeah, by the way, I'm in Bhopal and he's in Bombay. That's why we're doing this live like this. But okay, Janu, you go have fun.
तो वीडियो कॉल कर लेते एक दूसरे को, तो मैंने सोचा अभी यहाँ पे आ गए तो यहाँ ही वीडियो कॉल कर लेता हूँ.
Okay, thanks for joining my live. Bye, honey.
No, Janu, let's not go now. Let's wait for some more time.
Janu, why? Are you waiting for someone to come to join you in the car?
No.
I knew it. You want to do some Zaid Darbar.
Baba, I wanted to say hi to you and everybody over here. So I usually don't come live. Whenever you come, I follow you. only ना पीछे से आके अरे she's come live. Let's go live.
Eman saying one Gaza music video now. Don't worry.
Who's Eman?
Something is coming up.
Who's Eman?
Janu, Eman, the people who are joining us out of that.
Achha, I thought some Eman you're talking about who we know.
No.
Acha, no problem. Acha, listen, do we talk about tomorrow right now or no?
No.
So today only about you?
Yes, today only about Tohmat, okay? We're very professional people, okay?
Me and you.
Yeah. Tomorrow we'll see what you have to do. Aaj ka aaj.
Okay, you take the Tohmat today and then I'll take the...
आज तोहमत मुझ पे है.
आज तोहमत आपने, कल हमारे में मोहलत होगी.
नहीं जानू, कल प्यार होगा.
कल तो होगा मजा सुबह.
Okay, चलो bye. Hang up.
क्यों?
Because you're promoting other stuff.
आप चेंज हो चुके हो. आप पहले बोलते थे कहाँ जा रहे हो, बात करो मुझसे. अभी
अच्छा. I just know आप गाड़ी में किसी का वेट कर रहे हो and that is why you're talking to me right. हाँ?
शादी के बाद इंसान चेंज हो जाता है क्या?
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
यार जानो, आप चेंज हो चुके हो यार. जानो, चेंज हो चुके हो.
जानो, आकाश is saying क्या बात है. Hi आकाश.
आप चेंज हो चुके हो जानो. आप और ज्यादा खूबसूरत हो चुके हो जानो, और ज्यादा.
Oh my God.
जानो, को ये बोलना चाहूंगा आज बहुत ही दिल से कि जितने भी लड़के हैं वहां पे जो ये सोचते हैं कि शादी से हम दूर भागे, तो बहुत ही गलत है, बहुत सरासर गलत है. अच्छी तरबियत वाली लड़की आप ढूंढो और अच्छा तरबियत वाला लड़का भी ढूंढो और शादी कर लो. और
अच्छे तरबियत वाले लड़के बनो भी.
वही तो बोला, लड़का भी ढूंढो और लड़की भी ढूंढो.
हाँ.
और किसी को ढूंढो मत, खुद अच्छे बनो, ऑटोमेटिकली सब आपके पास आ जाएंगे. जैसे हम तो आए थे ना, ऐसे.
I agree.
आजकल आप देख रहे हो मैं अपने आप को भी कैसे घुमा देता हूँ बीच में.
हाँ जानू, वो सब मैं देख रही हूँ,
हम सब झूम रहे हैं. हम झूम रहे.
हम घूम रहे हैं.
आपका
जानू
लास्ट
शिप्रा की
डायलॉग
आवाज क्या
अच्छा
है
लगा।
यार?
अब वो आपने बहुत अच्छे से बोला लास्ट वाला डायलॉग।
हाँ
हाँ वो बहुत मस्त बोला एकदम। बोल के दिखाओ जरा एक बार।
नहीं जानू, प्लीज डोंट एम्बैरेस मी राइट नाउ।
अरे बोल के दिखाओ ना।
No, go watch the video of Tohmat and
आप
there's a
बोलोगे तो
beautiful dialogue at the end.
अरे बोलेंगे तो आप देखेंगे ना सब लोग। अच्छा
कोई कीम कोई कीमती चीज लेने के लिए खर्चा तो होता है, और किसी अखबार में अगर छपे कोई औरत की तस्वीर तो चर्चा तो होता है।
वाह 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 वाह।
Hi Mubzi, how are you?
कमाल है यार, कमाल डायलॉग था ये, जिसने भी लिखा है बहुत अच्छा था।
Yeah, it was added. One fun fact: this dialogue was added during the shoot.
Sandeep is here.
Hi Sandeep.
Sandeep is gone. I don't know where he is. He doesn't talk. He doesn't. I don't know
You
where
can
he is.
say that to us also, Janu.
Oh yeah.
तोहमत किसी पे मत लगाओ आप संदीप, तोहमत।
एक तोहमत जाती है तो चार तोहमत अपने ऊपर लगती है।
Yeah. So guys, since we are plugging it in so much, Tohmat has released today. It's a song by Shipra Goel. It's on Speed Records. Please go watch it now. Oh, Sandeep Singh, my two favorite persons.
And my two favorite person also over there. One upar and one inside.
Sandeep.
Yeah.
Love you.
Sandeep,
We'll come back. I'm in Bhopal. I'm coming back end of the month. So then we'll see you then, Sandeep.
Sandeep has always supported me, and I would never forget that. And I would want to, whoever is here.
Yeah, he's a sweetheart.
He-
Oh, by the way, Sandeep, I haven't opened your Diwali gift yet because I want to use it in the new house. So I'm going to open it and I'm going to tell you how I like it because I didn't want to spoil it. So yeah, thank you for the gift, by the way.
दिवाली हो नो, belated
What?
happy। सबको हम लोग लाइव तो नहीं जा पाए, तो एटलीस्ट हमें हैप्पी दिवाली, बिलेटेड हैप्पी दिवाली भी बोल देना चाहिए ना सबको।
सभी को हैप्पी दिवाली एंड फॉर ऑल द फेस्टिवल्स दैट आर कमिंग। आगे क्रिसमस भी आ रहा है और बहुत सारी चीजें आ रही हैं, तो हैव फन, स्प्रेड लव।
राम गुलाटी जी, राम जी, हाउ आर यू राम जी?
Sandeep is saying we have more gifts. Yay!
Janu, you know Ram ji, na? Of course.
I met him at your Atram's once.
You met him, na, once?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So, by the way, there are a lot more surprises in store. But today we'll concentrate on Tohmat and also the fact that I've been nominated for my role in Chauda Phere for Filmfare OTT Awards.
Oh, yes.
So don't forget to vote for me.
Janu, you have to win the award and get it home, huh? Guys.
Inshallah. If everyone votes for me, then yes.
Everybody, you know, I've got a lot of messages, guys. Thank you so much. आप जिन सबने मुझे मैसेज किया है, Janu, I've got a lot of DMs saying,
Hi Parul.
Janu, people have actually filled my
voted.
Saying that I have voted, and they've given the screenshots. So sweet of them, yaar.
I know. Everyone is so kind, really.
Yeah, I really didn't know they're gonna come back like this.
Someone says it looks like pregnancy glow. No, guys, I'm not pregnant yet. Okay, calm down.
अरे अभी तो शादी की है, थोड़ा काम धंधा तो लाइफ में थोड़ा और फैमिली को थोड़ा और ऐसे साथ में लेके चलने दो, फिर देखते हैं हो जाएगा क्या, जो जैसे भी है
अल्लाह की मर्जी इंशाल्लाह।
हमारी भी है साथ में, पर अल्लाह की भी है ना।
Shukla Gargi says, ma'am, you will definitely win. Thank you so much. Please, if you guys vote for me, of course I will win.
Guys,
but I love you all.
अगर गौर ने वो अवार्ड जीता तो मैं वो अवार्ड हाथ में लेके लाइव पे आऊंगा और क्या करूंगा जानू?
सबको थैंक यू बोलेंगे because obviously it's a public's vote. वो
तो मैं करूंगा ही करूंगा, और मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ इन सब के लिए और जानू आपके लिए एक गाना सीखूंगा अच्छे से सुर में और गाऊंगा सबके लिए।
Yay! Woo! Come on guys, make me win so Zaid can sing for us live. They'll be like, right.
और आपको इतने सारे अवार्ड के बीच में देखना है एक।
Yeah, I want that because 14 फेरे के लिए हाय मैंने इतनी मेहनत की है ना। I swear मुझे जब पता चला कि मैं नॉमिनेट हुई हूँ, मैं रोना ही शुरू कर दिया because I have worked so hard for 14 फेरे and it is
But
a movie that is so close to my heart. All thanks to Devanshu sir. I can't. I mean, मेरे लिए nomination ही ऐसा है कि वहाँ मैं जीत गई because I'm so grateful, really, honestly.
Actually, I was going to say that only कि आप nominate हुए वो चीज के लिए, और देखो मेरी नजरों के सामने तो वैसे ही जीत गए हो, बट मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि कितने कितने रोल से 6 ना 4?
3
नहीं जानू, 4 थे।
नहीं जानू, तीन कैरेक्टर्स थे ना?
अच्छा, तो 3 कैरेक्टर्स प्ले करना, और तीनों भी बहुत अलग अलग कैरेक्टर्स।
बट यू आर टेक्निकली राइट बिकॉज वो एक स्टेज का कैरेक्टर भी था।
4 बोल तो 4, वो तो दिखता तो 4 ही है ना।
हाँ,
तो या द पॉइंट इज 4 रोल करना is not easy, because I know right now I'm in the practice mode, so I understand what is acting, and soon we all will see everything. But वो तो बहुत ही काफी डिफिकल्ट होता है, और जितने भी बाहर एक्टर एक्ट्रेसेस है इतनी मेहनत करते हैं सब लोग, वो सच में उन सबको मेरा तो दिल से सल्यूट है, सबको बहुत मेहनत करते हैं सब लोग।
Alright, हम rant कर रहे हैं. Thank you so much for watching us. Do remember to watch Tohmat on Speed Records YouTube channel. It's almost already, I think, 2 million views, but we need to make it super, super big. We love you guys, and thanks for joining us.
और अगर कल आप चाहते हो कि हम वापस से ये टाइम पे आए, तो कल जो होने वाला है सुबह, उसके लिए आप करिए।
Janu, kal, okay?
कल
Tata Sky has just tweeted saying we enjoyed the song Tohmat. Congratulations to the team. Yay! Woohoo! Thanks, Tata Sky.
टाटा स्काई लगा लो, झींगा लगा, क्या था वो, यही था ना कुछ तो।
इसको लगा डाला तो लाइव झींगा लगा। Okay, so Tohmat, go and watch Tohmat right now.
तोहमत, कितना तोहमत लगा दिया आपने मुझ पे यार।
Dave Panwar, happy birthday, lots of love. Okay, gotta go guys, bye.
कहाँ जा रहे हो यार, कहाँ जा रहे हो?
जानू, bye.
यार मैं आ रहा हूँ भोपाल।
आ जाओ जानू, I have an early morning shoot, okay? Gotta go.
ये तो नहीं आ पाएगा, मंडे के बाद ही आएगा।
Put the phone down and talk to me separately, not on the live. Okay, bye guys, love you.
Bye guys, loves you too.
Bye.